Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a website in less than 5 minutes, a method that's going to save you a lot of time and money. Of course, there are very many tools out there that can be used to do exactly the same thing I'm going to show you here. So it depends on the kind of the tool that you choose, but at the end of the day, you're going to get the same results. In this video, I'm going to focus on a tool called Hookers AI Website Builder. And for you to get access to the tool, go to your browser, search for Hookers. Open the link, and this is the tool that we're going to use to create our AI website. So for you to get started, go to the section that is asking for your email address, enter your email, and select the button create my website. So at this point, we're going to wait for the AI to generate a couple of prompts, and we will provide answers to those prompts describing the website that you want. And the first thing you need to do is to select the category of your website. We have a number of them. So I'm going to select online store. You also need to specify the subcategories. Let's say we want clothing, kids clothing websites. After you pick the options you want, select continue. The next thing here is to select the services that you want to be offering. You can pick any that you want, the ones that relate to your business. After you pick the options that you want, select continue. At this point, you need to specify the tools and the pages that you want included in your website. Let's say I pick a couple of them. In fact, I'm going to select all of them, but you can pick any that you want. Select continue. Next, you need to specify the location of your business. In this case, we want to do online business only. We also need to give it a name. I'm going to select this. Click continue after you've given the name. We also need to highlight just 3 aspects that relate to our business. I'm gonna pick exceptional customer service, affordable prices, and friendly service. After you pick the 3 that you want, select continue. You also need to specify how clients will get in touch with you. We're going to use website contact form. I'm going to also add an email address. And you're just going to add a phone number. And after that, select continue. Then at this point, you are provided with different styles that you can pick from. You can see style 1, 2, and 3. Then there are different color combinations that are available that you can pick. You can also select the fonts that you want. So I'll just go with the ones that already selected by default, but you can switch based on your preference. After that, select create my website. And at this point, the AI is going to generate the website for you. And you can see we haven't even written a single line of code. So once the website is created, you will be provided with an editor that's going to allow you to edit the different features, the pages, the text, titles, and everything that is on the website. And here is the editor. You can be able to add text directly on the pages. You can change the images. You can change even the logo. As you can see, you can upload the image or change the text. Here you can also change the menu. You can add widgets, pages. You can add even uploading images. So many things you can be able to edit at this point. Now, if you want to view your website that has been generated, go to the view websites button, and the preview will be loaded in a new tab. And here is your website. As you can see, the complete website is here, the pages are here, the links are active, and you can be able to browse your website from one page to the other. Everything is there, active, as you can see. Okay, we have everything done. If you want to go back to editing, go to the previous tab, and you can continue to edit the different items and the elements that are provided. So if you want to use a custom domain, just click on the button use custom domain, and you can follow the prompts that are given there. So that's it, guys. As you can see, this method is simple and straightforward. So if you like this content, you can give it a thumbs up, smash the like button so that it can reach as many people as possible. And I'll also be creating more content like this, so you can subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the next video I'll be producing on how you can migrate this website to your custom domain. Thanks for watching.